Hi guys, what's up? This is Hardik LTS, and guys, I'm very excited today because this is my first live lesson video on this channel. And as you can see in the title also, I think people, and I think you also agree to this, people do compare their self-worth with performance. I don't get this why, but people do compare their value with the results that they got. So let's just start with this topic directly. Self-worth with performance, and I do completely agree that performance should be an utmost need for any work to become successful. I think performance is just the test of your skill that you have been acquiring for so many years, months or days. It is a test for your work that you have been putting in everything for so much duration. And the main thing that people is kind of worried about is we want result with certain time duration, fixed time duration, TD. Because this is the main thing. Nobody wants to get results after 20, 30 years, right? So therefore, this is the main factor, time. And let me tell you guys, there are so many factors that affect the performance. Let's just take an example of studying and see what are the factors that can affect. Because it is not always about 10 to 12 hours of study. First one is learning resource. It do matter that what is the resource of learning. Whether you are just enclosed in your books domain only, or the other person who is reading these books and understanding the concept and side by side, as he's an internet savvy, he's finding those concepts on Quora, on FB, different groups, on WhatsApp, Twitter. So learning resource do matters. Try to filter it every time, every month or every day, so that you get a new concept, because knowledge is never more, it is always less. The second factor comes is poor performance in the past. Guys, if you are not a good performer and now you suddenly want to drop yourself deliberately into this competitor world, how will you survive? How will you adjust to their zone? Those guys have been working super hard for so many years. They are a consistent hard worker. So definitely it will take time to adjust. I'm not saying you cannot. Obviously there is nothing like cannot, but it will take time. If you want result within that time duration, maybe you get it, maybe you don't get it. But if you know that, okay, I was a poor performer, you accept that truth. You actually manifest the truth. Now that's the best thing. You know that you have to be motivated almost all the time, because you need this little zone of working hard, right? It's not just about 10 to 12 hours of putting in study. No. These two factors. Third factor is family stress, family pressure do matter. Fifth, I think it is my favorite, let me tell you. Fifth one is environment with correct mindset. Now just take two cases in which both of the guys are working in same environment in which everyone around them are super hard worker. They are actually studious guy, proper one. Now both of them didn't see the results. But first one got over it because he was knowing that, okay, let me now learn something from these guys, and then again hit the next time. The other person felt very bad, he felt disappointed, he went into this depression world. Because he think that, oh my god, I cannot do it, because even in the presence of these guys. Now your mindset is what determining your everything. That has a very deep impact in the self-worth. Mindset, if you have a correct mindset, you will never compare your value with the result. As in the first case, that guy was knowing, okay, let me learn something from these guys. This is a positive approach. You are learning something from your already seniors who are perfect in their work, right? So guys, self-worth, it is limitless. Self-worth is limitless. Guys, when we hear these beautiful words, okay, self-worth is limitless. Yeah, we know it is limitless, but we have to go a little deep into this. Because what we are doing when we are comparing our result, we know we worked hard, very hard for these much amount of years, months, but we didn't get anything. But we did get something, right? We got learning, we got new ability to learn something. What we are doing by this? We are questioning the ability to learn any skill. We are questioning the ability for the skill that we have acquired. That is the thing that we are doing right now, and I think this is just shit. You are just digging a grave for your own personality. That's it. You are just taking an excursion to this depression world. I know, guys, feeling sad is one thing. Why will not one feel sad? If I don't get result, I will do feel sad, but don't let that emotion overpower you and make you compare these two things. Self-worth, human worth is limitless. We are human beings, guys. We make those performances. We just drag those performances with us. If you would have known all these factors, don't you think you would have mastered this performance? Yeah, obviously. The one who knows it, the one who gets it. That is as simple as that. So never compare your worth. It is actually limitless, guys. Enjoy your day. Till the time we meet in our next life lesson. Till the time we meet in our next life lesson, enjoy your life. Make your LTS life total set. Bye bye.